Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, please do that. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. Definitely would love to watch out for it. So if you have been following this my channel consistently, would have seen there was a period that I actually predicted this bullish move on Swiss franc JPY. We can see this bullish move. I still have this level, by the way. This ice, I told you that price will actually break out of this ice, right? This was the previous ice when there was a correction. I told you that price will break out of this ice, and we actually had that breakout. So right now, it looks like price wants to start ranging, right? And we all know that rules of trading, which is trade what you see and not what you think. So basically, let me assume this level. Let's just take a look at this level to be the resistance level. Reason is that price has tapped here multiple times. One, two. So let's see if price will come to this low again. Then we can now go ahead and take our buy. I think the best time to actually buy on Swiss franc, because we would want to watch to buy, but we would only buy if this price can drop to take this low. At least that will serve as an opportunity for us to actually take our buy upwards to this resistance level as we are seeing here. Can price come out to break above this level? Definitely yes. There's high probability or there's chances that price will actually come out to take out this resistance as we are seeing. But above all, the best place to actually buy, or best opportunity to buy, is, let's say price drops this low, then we can take our buy on Swiss franc JPY. That will be able to give us good amount of pips, by the way. Now let's see the 4-hour time frame. So we can see this price is actually moving like in directionless movement, right? There's no, it's, we can't really predict if it is an uptrend move right now or downtrend move. Price is actually ranging within this level, and basically we all know we have to go ahead and range with it. One of the reasons why I said we have to just be patient. Once this price comes to this lows, then that will be a good opportunity for us to actually take our buy on Swiss franc JPY. So that is what I have for this week. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link to my Patreon channel. Check the comment section. Right, in that channel, what I intend to do is put out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is exactly what I put. You can also check the link. I'm also going to put a link to some of the trade we actually took last week, so you can go there and watch it to confirm. So if in case you are interested in some of my exclusive trade, all you just have to do is become one of my Patreon subscriber. The link will be in the comment section, so you get access to some of the exclusive trade I'll be putting out there.